Even if students don't have access to big IT devices, so even then they can program just via smartphones, and they can control their robots. This is the a code, a simple graphical program
Yeah.
using which they have prepared the code,
Okay.
and then they just need to connect their boat via Bluetooth. So this boat has Bluetooth connectivity. Yes, right now I have not programmed this motor.
Okay.
So that right now we just have programmed to control
Just for the movement.
movement.
Okay.
So but we can also program the motor so that it can also move its hand. Yes. We are also doing one workshop where we are having this football competition for the students.
Okay.
So in this manner, student can program when having playing also.
जशें आमकां खबर आहा की नवीन एज्युकेशन पॉलिसी अंतर्गत रोबोटिक्स आणि कोडिंग एक नवीन विशय भुरग्यां खातीर आसा आनी त्या निमतान आयज आमकां सायन्स फिल्म फेस्टिवलाक पळोवपाक मेळटा एक प्रोजेक्ट केल्लो आसा जो रोबोटिक्स आणि कोडिंग ह्या विशयाचेर आदारीत आसा. सर वेलकम टू द शो.
Yes, thank you.
टेल अस समथिंग अबाउट दॅट.
Okay, so we are at STEMpedia. We are developing this AI and robotics educational kits for the students. Using this, students can learn about coding, programming, and robotics, and it will help them to develop 21st century skills. Because when they make this type of projects, they learn about problem solving. Their critical thinking will develop. So it will help them to in every aspect of life, whether they are moving to any industry. So these skills are very important in this technological world. So that's why new education policy also highlighted the importance of learning coding from 6th class onwards. CBSE also introduced this as a skill subject. So we at STEMpedia are bridging that gap. Okay, school want to start coding, but from where they will get the curriculum and which products or which educational kits they have to use. So that problem we are solving at STEMpedia. We are developing this economical educational products using which students can learn about coding, robotics, artificial intelligence, and our software PictoBlocks, which Goa government is also using via CARE scheme. So if using that, student can also code robots in their smartphone, because in India a lot of students don't have access to laptops. So that's why we build this coding platform PictoBlocks, using which a student can code just on their smartphone, and it will give them access, they can do coding anytime, from home also they can code, and then they can learn about these things. So students are creating very wonderful projects also. Recently we had one international competition also, and students come up with amazing ideas. So with STEMpedia we are providing them just the opportunity to explore, so that they can just don't be the passive consumer of the technology, but while learning this skill they can also be the active contributor, where they can also themselves build the product and create innovative solutions. So this is what we are doing at STEMpedia.
Okay. If there is if a person or a student doesn't have a smartphone, so what is the other option?
Okay, so in that case also, if we talk about technology, so we need to give them access to some options. So no doubt there are other skills using which student can also learn about these things. But these days it is necessary to give them exposure to tablets or smartphones or laptops also, because when it comes to do coding, they need some digital device with them. So without phones it won't be possible. At least they have access to some IT device, because and students are have access, but they are using Snapchats or Facebook. So what we are saying them, okay, you have access to the technology, but use that for a constructive manner, where you are developing their skills. right? And students are like very keen to learn these things. Like even at your home also you can see like small students are playing like big complex games which like even our like young adults like us can also like can't play. So why not we can't give them like access to this educational thing where they are enjoying also and simultaneously they are also learning the things. So this is like how we are doing these things.
Okay. Under new education policy, any of the project that has come up with a which have like make a mark or which is which you saw a potential to be a good project?
Okay, like
Coding or robotics.
okay, so in robotics also, like if I like talk about education policies itself, like at the state level, like Goa itself is like became the first state to implement coding and robotics in the school curriculum. Last year, Goa started from 6th onwards. With we are also supporting the like care schemes. So in at that time also, like the students started the learning, but they get like barrier in the pandemic. Students are at home, but how they can continue their coding journey because they don't have access to IT lab. So where our coding platform PictoBlocks helped them because they have access to smartphone at home. So they made a very cool projects like CM sir also nominated one girl and congratulate her. She created very good Mahatma Gandhi portrait just by using coding. So students are doing like wonders in our coding competition also. Like students made smart trolleys and like creative healthcare solutions. So students are doing like a wonderful job.
Thank you.